Mapping Earthquakes in Northern California, Part 2, Downloading Data from the Northern California Earthquake Data Center. In the previous video, you learned how to set up your workspace and download data from the Natural Earth website. In this video, you will learn how to download data from the Northern California Earthquake Data Center. UC Berkeley Seismological Laboratory created the Northern California Earthquake Data Center. Using the Chrome browser, navigate to the Northern California Earthquake Data Center website. A link is provided in the written instructions. The catalog has quite a few search settings, which at first may seem confusing. In this activity, we will not cover all of the details related to the settings. To find out more about how to use this website and to learn about the options available, you can click the help link to read additional documentation. For the input catalog, choose USGS NCSN Catalog 1967 to present. For the output format, pick NCSN Catalog in CSV format. Enter the following parameters. For the start time, enter 2017 January 1st. For the end time, enter 2017 December 31st. The minimum magnitude should be 3.0. The minimum latitude is 32, and the minimum longitude is -114. The max latitude is 47, and the max longitude is -130. The event types is earthquakes. Leave all other earthquake parameter settings not mentioned here as default. Under Output Mechanism, select Send Output to Anonymous FTP File on the NCEDC. When you're ready, click Submit Request. In the Chrome browser, the results will load in a new tab. Click the link next to URL under Output Can Be Downloaded From. The next page will display the data in CSV format. CSV stands for Comma Separated Values. As you can see on the page, each of the values is separated by a comma. You will need to save the results to your original folder. In the Chrome browser, hit Ctrl+S to save. Browse to your original folder. For the file name, enter earthquake2017.csv. Next to Save as Type, choose All Files. When you are ready, click Save. When opened in Microsoft Excel, the CSV file appears as a table. The commas in the data create columns, also called fields, in Excel. A row, also called a record, represents each earthquake. In this instance, the top row is different from the remaining records. It is made up of column headers, sometimes called field names. When working with geospatial data, this format is critical. The first row of any geospatial data table must contain the field names. You will learn more about these types of tables in a later chapter. Go ahead and close the CSV file in Microsoft Excel. In a later step, you will use the CSV file in ArcMap, and it's important not to have it open in two places at once. In the previous activity, you learned how to download data from the United States Census Bureau. A link is provided in the written instructions. Click the link under the header Nation-Based Files that says County. On the Counties page, right-click the link to download the 500K resolution. Select Save Link As, then browse to your original folder and click Save. Decompress the file using 7-zip. In the next video, you will learn how to add California as a base map layer.